Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to enable the feature that allows others to discover your LinkedIn profile using your email address. This is especially useful if you want to increase your visibility and make it easier for people to connect with you. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to linkedin.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on the Me icon. This is where you'll find options related to your account and settings. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. On this page, look for the Visibility section in the left-hand menu and click on it. Now, scroll down until you see an option labeled Profile Discovery using phone number or email. Click on this option to access its settings. Here, you'll see multiple choices for who can discover your profile using your email address. To maximize visibility, select the option that says Anyone. This means anyone who has your email address can find your LinkedIn profile. It's a great way to ensure that potential connections or collaborators can easily locate you on the platform. Finally, once you've made your selection, LinkedIn will automatically save your changes. You don't need to click any additional buttons. And that's it. You've successfully enabled email-based discovery for your LinkedIn profile. This simple adjustment can significantly enhance how easily others can find and connect with you on LinkedIn. Whether you're networking for career opportunities or building professional relationships, this feature ensures that you're more accessible to the right people. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. See you in the next video.